So as I told you, this is called the student abacus, and this is what you will be using to do all calculations. So let me once again explain with the student abacus. This is called the frame of the abacus. This is the counting bar. These brown things are all called beads, and you find lot of white dots here. Okay, we'll be doing all calculations from this center white dot. This is placed in order to denote place value. Okay, place value. So each lower bead has the value of 1 and the upper bead has the value of 5. So how you start doing a sum? Place the abacus down on your table. This is your left hand, this is your right hand. Okay, with your left hand hold the abacus like this. You will be using these 2 fingers of your left hand. Right hand, you fold your 3 fingers. We will be using your thumb finger and your index finger. What? Thumb finger and index finger. These 2 fingers we will be using. Okay, so hold the counting bar or the counting rod and push towards the other end. This is called zoom. So once you zoom, this counting bar will not have any bead touching to it. For example, see, you have 2 beads touching, 3 beads touching now. Once you hold this with 2 fingers and push it towards the other end, there is nothing is touching. So this is how you start a sum. Before you start doing a sum, you see that the abacus is at 0. See, for example, whenever you start a sum with a calculator, you see that the calculator is at 0. Similarly, zeroing of the abacus is important, and zoom is called zeroing of the abacus. Okay, once you have zoomed in, we can start a sum. For example, each lower bead has the value of 1, as I told you. Add 1 with your thumb finger, again add 1, again add 1. The answer is how much? Answer is 3. You got it? If you say it is 3, you got the right answer. Okay, go pushing on to the next term. You again zoom it. Zoom, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1. How much? 4. Right. Zoom, add 2. So this is 2 and you move 2 beads together. Add 2, again add 2. Answer is right, 4. Zoom, see, again add 3, add 1. What is the answer? 4. Right, very good. Next, I am going to teach you less or minus. Okay, add 1, add 1. It is 2 now. Minus 1 or less 1. Once there is a minus in your book, you should bring the particular number of beads down. For example, if it is less 1, it is less 1. What is the answer? It is 1. You got it? The point is how to less or minus 1. Okay, minus 1 or minus 2. See, for example, if it is add 2, this is add 2. Minus 2, you bring back 2 beads. Add 3, minus 3. Add 4, minus 4 or less 4. You got it? So add 1, less 1. Add 2, less 2. Add 3, less 3. Add 4, less 4. You got it? Right. So pushing on to the next number, we have done till 4 now. Pushing on to the next number, it is 5. Any guesses where 5 it is? I've already told you. This is 5, and look at me. Which finger I am using? I am using my index finger. At 5. Got it? Minus 5. So here we should move up in order to touch the counting bar. Minus to take it away. Here 5, you bring it down and touch it. So once you touch the counting bar, you get a value. So this is 5 minus 5. Got it? 6 minus 6, 7 minus 7, 8 minus 8, 9 minus 9. Got it? So all single digit numbers are present in the center dot of the abacus. That will be where we'll be doing all calculations. Got it? Right.